This industrial 3-to-1 ratio heat shrink tubing for covering wires works great. I have multiple sizes on hand, so I can choose the right one for the job at hand. By using this marine-grade shrink tubing for all your automotive wiring, will ensure that your wires won't corrode. I also make it a habit to add electrical grease to the wires that I connect before covering them up with this heat shrink tubing. It is simple to use. Move tubing over the area you want to cover. Then I use a heat gun to start shrinking the tube on one end, and I slowly work to the other end of the tube. Then I rotate the wire to make sure all parts of the tube got hit with the heat.